Honorable members of the Legislative Assembly, Vanakkam. It is a great honor and privilege to deliver my first address to the 16th Legislative Assembly in this august House. This House has a glorious heritage, and all of you are proud inheritors of this legacy. I take this opportunity to extend my warm greetings for the new year and Pongal to all the members and to the people of Tamil Nadu. I wish that this year brings happiness, prosperity, and well-being to the people of the state. I would like to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister Thiru M.K. Stalin for galvanizing the entire government machinery and effectively managing the second wave of the COVID pandemic by ramping up health infrastructure, ensuring availability of oxygen and essential drugs, and transforming the vaccination drive into a people's movement immediately after assuming office. The government's strategy in successfully containing the second wave without significantly affecting people's livelihood and economy has served as a model for the entire nation. The government has taken extensive measures to increase the coverage of vaccination against COVID. Mega vaccination drives are being conducted on a weekly basis throughout the state. When this government assumed office, the coverage of vaccination was very low, with only 8.09% of the eligible population having been administered the first dose and 2.84% the second dose. In just 7 months, due to the concerted efforts of this government, the vaccination coverage has been increased to 86.95% for the first dose and 60.71% for the second dose, with a total of 8.55 crore doses being administered. I request the people of Tamil Nadu to continue to cooperate with the government's efforts to ensure success. In line with the new policy announced by the Honorable Prime Minister on 25th December last year, the state has expanded the vaccination program to cover children in the age group of 15 to 18 years and will provide precaution dose for frontline staff, health workers, and vulnerable sections above 60 years of age. Recently, the Omicron variant of coronavirus has been identified and reported in many states of India, including Tamil Nadu. In order to prevent the spread of this variant, the government has strengthened testing and checking protocols at international airports. Based on the experience gained during the second wave, Tamil Nadu was one of the first states in the country in establishing facilities for genome sequencing. Further, the government is augmenting RT-PCR testing facilities, installing oxygen generating PSA plants, and increasing